Hey everyone and welcome. So today in this video I am going to be showing you how you can cancel Revolut transfer. So let's just begin. So over here you can see I have this complete guide to do that. So first what we need to do is simply head over to your transfers section, and there you are going to be checking which transaction is being held and whether you want to really cancel it or not. Once you simply track your um, transfer, you're going to be simply selecting that, and you are going to be changing the transfer details. Like for example, you can change the Swift transfers that haven't settled with the beneficiary yet. And the point to be noted here is that errors in recipient details may result in transfer bouncing back to your account within 5 working days. So be patient, guys. Do not be worried or simply try intensely. It is going to be bouncing back soon. So this is how simple it is, and I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. So see you in the next video.